In this video, we're going to show you how to manage your online reviews and respond to reviews and check in on your review invites. Now, in the previous video, we showed you how to send review requests. And just as a quick reminder, you can do that by clicking on Quick Actions and send a review request and putting in the customer's name and email or phone number and clicking on Send a Review Invite. Now, to manage all of your online reviews, we're just going to click on Reputation, and from the Reputation dashboard, we can see an overview of all of the reviews that have come in. We can also see the requests that we previously sent and see the status of these reviews. Another important thing that we'll want to do is anytime a review is left on our Google business page, we'll want to respond to these reviews so that will help our search engine optimization rankings. So for example, Allison Shepard left a 5-star review right here. So all we'll want to do is click right here and respond to the review. You can easily see how we can scroll down and respond to every single one of the reviews that have come into our business. So as a quick recap, in order to go through and manage your online reviews, we'll just click on Reputation over here on the side. We can see an overview of all of our reviews, our review requests that we've sent, as well as respond to any reviews that have already come in.